Hello, everyone. Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for grounding and centering. And I would just want to start by saying one of the great modern yogis actually recommended if you have allergies or if you're extremely ungrounded, go out in your garden, dig a hole in the ground, put your feet in the ground, cover it back up. Sounds simple, but I think it's also very powerful. Many of us, we lack grounding in this world. So touching the ground with your bare feet, touching the earth, connecting to the trees and to life is a beautiful way to ground yourself. Of course, there are also methods inside of the practice of meditation. One of the beautiful methods is take your hand like this, connect your index finger and your thumb on both hands. And then rather than keep your hands up on your lap like you normally would, turn them upside down so that your palm is facing down toward the earth. Then let's take a moment and find our roots if we're going to do a grounding meditation. Just feel the connection of your sit bones to whatever it is that you're sitting on. That can be a chair or the ground or wherever you are. But really feel into the base. Feel the strength at the base. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Just interiorizing the energy. Taking a moment just to arrive right now in this present moment. Letting the breath be soft, letting the body be soft, the shoulders be soft, the face, the neck. And then let's imagine for a moment that we're like a tree, that we're rooted into the ground. Really feel as though almost like there's a extension to your spine, which is connecting into the earth, drawing nutrients, vitality, health, groundedness. Really feel that profound connection, stability that comes from a firm foundation. And really spend a few breaths here and feel like you're drawing energy up, just like a tree would draw energy from the soil, from the water, from the minerals, from everything, drawing up into your being. And then the natural expression of that is this movement upward. When we have a strong foundation, a strong connectedness and groundedness to the earth, to the soil, we begin to sprout. We begin to grow. We reach up for the sunlight. Feel like every pore in your body is just opening itself up to receive both from below in groundedness, but also from above as the natural expression of what happens when you are grounded. And like that tree, we're just reaching towards the light and grounded down into the earth with our roots down and strong, firm, rooted. And then let's breathe in the way that a tree would breathe, long, slow, deep breaths. Starting at the base of the spine, really initiate the breath from the base. If you know Ujjayi, you can add Ujjayi. Otherwise, just a long, slow, deep breath in. And when you're at the top and you've grown as much as you can towards the sunlight, exhaling back down. And really feel the exhale go all the way down into your roots. And take a few breaths feeling that play between heaven and earth, reaching up towards the sunlight, towards the heavens on the inhalation, grounding down on the exhalation into the earth, into the groundedness, into the solidity, into the foundation. And play for a few breaths with this tree breath. And if it's comfortable and good for your body, you can add a brief pause at the end of the inhalation and the exhalation, and really feeling on the root side the groundedness, on the heaven side the lightness, as you move in these tree breaths. The next time you finish your exhalation, just let your breath come back into its normal rhythm. We'll have one last groundedness exercise, which is go down to the roots, go down to the base, go down to Mula Bandha if you know the spot of Mula Bandha, otherwise the pelvic floor, and just gently contract and relax there. Gently, 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 like 10%, 15% of what's possible. And just feel like that's the roots of the tree drawing energy up into the being, using this kind of tensing and relaxing at the base of the spine. A few more rounds. Really feel that same energetic resonance drawing up from the roots and then being able to grow and reaching to the light. And the next time, contract and hold for a moment. Don't forget to keep breathing across that. And then totally relax. Let go of everything. Nothing to be done. Nothing to be undone. Just grounded in the eternal present moment, right now. Spending a few moments here in silence, just deeply feeling the groundedness. last few moments of our meditation, let's bring our hands together at heart center. Just a moment of gratitude for the earth, for everything that she brings to us, for the fruit, for life, for the soil, for the earth itself, the mother to literally billions of beings of all different kinds. What love a mother like that must have, giving so much. Just a moment to give our gratitude in return for everything she brings. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And thank you for being with us on this grounding adventure. Hope to see you soon. Namaste.